Good evening you all बच्चों. I am Rakesh Rabe from Sunbeam Sun City. My dear, this is the video I am uploading only to discuss a topic, order of magnitude of physical quantity. What is this order of magnitude when you talk about for physical quantity? My dear, I am giving one small concept. Look at it before I'll start giving you an example and explanations. What is the concept, my dear? I have drawn the number line in front of you. You can see this is a number line beginning with 0 followed by 1, and then in middle it is 5, and here it is 10. That is 0 to 10. I have drawn the number line. Please try to understand the concept. Now my dear, when we have the value, if the value of physical quantity is, if the value of physical quantity, please try to understand, is 5 or less than 5, 5 or less than 5, if the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, right? So this can be written as, you can be write 0, say this is physical quantity, that is their value, and less than equal to 5, or I am writing in the word. So if the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10, then they are expressed in power of 10 as 10 power 0. And what is 10 power 0? That is 1. 10 power 0, that is equal to 1. Please take a concept. If the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, right? Any physical quantity, if I get a value 5 or less than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10 as what way they will express in power of 10? As 10 power 0. We will express that 10 power 0, right? And that is equal to 1. So what it means that, my dear, koi bhi value, if it is less than 5, then it is close to 1. Next, look at it. If the value of physical quantity is more than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10 as 10 power 1, that is equal to 10. मतलब 5 से ज़्यादा होगा. If the value of physical quantity is more than 5. Am I clear? If the value of physical quantity is more than 5, my dear, then what will happen? Sir, then they are expressed in power of 10 as 10 power 1. Why, my dear? अब एक छोटी सी बात. Sir, 5 से ज़्यादा होगा तो they are close to 10. Please, this is the important word. I am writing here, that is, if they are more than 5, if their value is more than 5, that is if their value is more than 5, then they are close to 10. Then they are close to 10. And therefore we are written 10 power 1 as 10. But here, my dear, If the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10 as 10 power 0, that is equal to 1. That is, what is the meaning of this? If their value is less than 5 or equal to 5, then they are close to 1. So there is two extremities, my dear. One is close to 1, written as 10 power 0, because any power 0 is 10 to the power 0. We have to mention in 10 power of 10. That is order of magnitude. That is a rule. So my dear, here this is very important, and therefore I am writing here, that is, you can write here also, that is, if the value of physical quantity, if the value of physical quantity is less than 5, I am writing this. So if the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10 as 10 to the power 0, as 10 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. That is, what is the meaning of this? That is, if their value is equal to 5 or less than 5, then they are close to 1, that is 10 power 0. Second, if the value of physical quantity is more than 5, yeah, 5 or less than 5 tha, here more than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10, then they are expressed in power of 10 as 10 to the power 1, that is equal to 10. That is, if their value is more than 5, then they are close to 10, that is 10 power 1. Here it is close to 1, that is 10 power 0. Here it is close to 10, that is 10 power 1. Please, this is the very important concept. Please, I will show you in my my example when I will do it. Right now I have written. See, if the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10 as, because see, value can be anything. And I told you in my topic that physics ka koi bhi answer is kept in one digit. Now the time comes, bache, where I have to show you. So if the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10 as, कैसे power of 10 में इसको express करेंगे? 10 power 0. Please, I will show you example where you will understand. And that is 10, any power 0 is 1, but here it is 10. Power of 10 you are supposed to use in order of magnitude. Power of 10, ये हमको use करना है. So my dear, ऐसे time पे we will write 10 power 0 and that is 1. Why ऐसा हुआ? Because sir, if value is equal to 5 or less than 5, then they are close to 1. Look at my number line. See number line. See the number line. Then they are close to 1. है ना, 1 के क्लोज में होगा या 0 के क्लोज में, माय डियर. 5 और 5 से कम होगा तो they are close to 1. 4 is close to, if I say 4, here is 4. So you tell me 4 is close to 1 or 4 is close to 10. Of course, my dear, 4 is close to 1. If I write here 3, so 3 is close to 1 or 3 is close to 10? 3 is close to 1. So any number till 5 or less than 5 is close to 1. And therefore they are represented as 10 power 0. And therefore I have written that they are close to 1. See number line, I have given the example. But if the value of physical quantity is more than 5, more than 5 means suppose here I am writing 6, here I am writing 7, here I am writing 8. My dear, this 6 is more than 5. It is close to 1 or it is close to 10? Sir, it is close to 10. 7 is close to 10. It is not close to 1. See, so simple it is. 7 is close to 10. Look at my video carefully. So 7 is close to 10, 6 is close to 10. They are not close to 1. So if the value of physical quantity is more than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10. Else, power of 10, how will you express them? Power of 10 as 10 power 1, because they are close to 10, and we will write that as 10. मतलब अब हमको 6, 7, 8 में बात नहीं करना है. अगर 6 दिखा तो I will write it 10 power 1. But अगर 3 दिखा, so I will write it as 10 power 0. Okay? If their value is more than 5, then they are close to 10. Of course, I have written this explanation. If it is more than 5, say it is 7. Say it is 7. So 7 is close to 10. Na? I hope it is. Okay. Now let's look at this example, then you'll understand more. So this is very important. Please, whenever you have to read, please go through with the concept. Now if the length of a room is 8 meter, suppose this is a physical quantity given, that the magnitude of the length of the room, this is the magnitude of, है ना, मैंने आपको पहले भी सिखाया while teaching magnitude, this number unit together represent the magnitude of physical quantity. For example, magnitude of length of a room is 8 meter. What is order of magnitude of length in the question? Order of magnitude of length in the question. So my dear, simple. This is 24, this is 8. Length of a room is 8 meter. It is more than 5. 8 is more than 5, my dear. Tell me yes or no. So order of magnitude will be what? It is 8. 8 is close to what? 8 is close to 10. So order of magnitude is 10 power 1. I will write 8 as 10 power 1. And order of magnitude become. Hence, its order of magnitude is 1. ये जो power में answer होता है, that is order of magnitude. Length of room is 8 meter. Therefore, it is more than 5. Hence, or therefore answer will be, this is the answer. Answer will be 10 power 1 because it is 8. I have written the point number 2. So the order of magnitude is 1. Second example, my dear, suppose I have taken something like, say I have taken this 9350 meter. 9350 meter. So my dear, first of all, what is the rule? That you will convert it into one digit, because in physics, as I said, I have taken number line. My number line is from 0 to 9 and last it is 10. So 0 to 9 is a one digit number. We keep all our physics answers, or all magnitude of any physical quantity, we are keeping in one digit. Even it is given in 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever number of digit. That is the algebra rule you all know. So for example, this question 9350 meter. So if 9350 meter, you can see. So now I can write this as 9.350 into 10 power 3. And here I will write meter, of course, because as I said, first convert this into one digit. I did it. I converted into one digit. And it become 9.350 into 10 power 3. But while converting in one digit, see to it that the value of the question does not change. Now my dear, here this is 9.350 is more than 5. So it is written as 10 power 1. Because since 9.350 is more than 5, is more than 5, my dear, na? So if it is more than 5, 9.350 is more than 5, then of course it will be, I have written, then they are expressed as 10 power 1. So here it is 10 power 1 into 10 power 3. I hope it is clear. So order of magnitude, the value become 10 power 4. Therefore, hence, its order of magnitude is 4. Its order of magnitude is 4. For this number, the order of magnitude is 4. So my dear, look at this concept. I have written if the value of physical quantity is more than 5. Here the value is what? It is 9,000. So more than 5. But my dear, 9,350, 9,000, first you convert it into one digit. Because more than 5 means you have to take one digit number. Any big number also convert it into one digit. So I did it first that is first step. So 9.350 into 10 power 3 is the answer for this first. Now after this 9.350, this 9.350, this is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, what I said, if they are more than 5, then they are expressed as a power of 10 as, how will you express power of 10 as 10 power 1. So here my dear, 9.350 is more than 5, so I will write this as 10 power 1. But if it is less than 5 or 5, then I would have written 10 power 0. And why? Because I told you that my dear, if it is less than 5, they are close to 1. If they are more than 5, they are close to 10. And this is the reason why. Close to 1, so 10 power 0. Close to 10, so 10 power 1, that is 10. So nice, yeah. Itna time I am explaining. You see my example, you will understand. So earlier question में sir already the length of the room is given in one digit. पहले से ही दिया था one digit. Length of room is 8 meter. But here it is given 9350 meter, 4 digits. So I converted into one digit. Here I no need to convert in one digit because already one digit is given. I just identify the digit. Oh God, digit 8 is more than 5. So the order of magnitude will be 10 power 1. And the order of, the way of writing this as 10 power 1, order of magnitude is 1. So for number 8, order of magnitude is 1. But for 9350, order of magnitude is 4. Okay. Now look at the another example. Sure, I will give you 5-10 examples so that you will understand the topic. Now let's go to the next example. We'll look at the next example. The example number 3, it is given 0.009324. Now my dear, the question is 0.009324. Let us count it out. Pehle I will make it in one digit. Here there are so many digits. I will make it in one digit. That is first compulsory rule. Then only you can solve the order of magnitude, my dear. So now here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it will be 9324 into 10 power minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't count this 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 9324 into 10 power minus 6. I hope it is clear, because you all know that this can be, if it is 0.052, this can be written as 1, 2, 3. That is 52 into 10 power minus 3. Na? 1, 2, 3. I have counted this. So I have written 1, 2, 3. So 52, the last two digit 52, 1, 2, 3, that is into 10 power minus 3. So similarly, my dear, here I can write 9324 into 10 power minus 6. Now this can be written as 9.324 because I cannot challenge my question. So question is this. Okay, so I will convert it into one digit. 9.324 into, this is 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 6. So this will become 9.324 into 10 power minus 3. 3 and minus 6 minus 3. But now my dear, since 9.324 is greater than 5, 9.324 is greater than 5 my dear. So now I can take this as 10 power 1 because of the rule. If the value is more than 5, then we have to write 10 power 1. So this is 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 3. So the answer will become 10 power minus 2. So the order of magnitude, therefore order of magnitude of 0.009324 is minus 2. Is minus 2. So my dear, this we should aware about that how to do this. Take care. The order of magnitude for this number is minus 2 my dear. I hope it is clear. Similarly my dear, here the another example, that is, this is the example number 3. Example number 4 you can see. This is 592.3 into 10 power 4. Already given. I hope it is clear. It is 592.3 into 10 power 4. Now here first I will convert it into one digit. This is 5.923. I have shifted 2 digits here. Because I told you one digit is required. Here it is 592. So what is my first method? Convert it into one digit. So I converted into one digit into 10 power 2. Now it becomes 592.3 and already 10 power 4 is given. So 10 power 4. So now this will be 5.923 into 10 power 6. And now since 5.923 is greater than 5. So now it is greater than 5. I will write this as 10 power 1 into 10 power 6. So the order of magnitude become here. This is 10 power 7. Therefore order of magnitude of 592.3 into 10 power 4 is 7. 7 is the right answer for this. So order of magnitude, what power we are writing for on 10, that is order of magnitude. Here power I have written minus 2, so order of magnitude become minus 2 for this question. Here order of magnitude I have written 7, so it is 7 for this question. So this is the way my dear. So what I am doing, whatever question is given to me, I first convert it into one digit. Whatever the power is given with the question, that's not an issue. But I convert it into one digit so that my question should not change also. Here I convert 592 as 5.92 into 10 power 2. Again it is 592. So I am not challenging the question. Question is as it is. But on the basis of that I got 5.923. As soon as I got 5 point, I'll understand it is greater than 5. So I will write it as 10 power 1. I will round it off and I'll write it as 10 power 1. Am I clear? Because it is more than 5. If it is less than 5 or equal to 5, I would have written 10 power 0. At that time it is 10 power 0 into 10 power 6. Answer will be 6. Okay. So I'll show you more example. Write it down. Now my dear, let us find out the order of magnitude for these quantity. Here it is given my dear, and sometimes the questions are like this, and therefore here the two concepts required. One, we should know their values, because earlier in example I am giving the value from my side and I am asking you to rearrange it and get the order of magnitude. But now look at, they have given this in words: speed of light, mass of earth, radius of earth, gravitational constant, mass of proton, Planck's constant. So this way my dear, the order of magnitude will be different unless and until I should know the values first. So let's start with the first example. The first example is speed of light. Now you all know that speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now my dear, since here no need of conversion, already in one digit it is given 3. So since 3 is less than 5, so here my dear, this 3 can be written as 10 power 0 into 10 power 8, because I have written if the value of physical quantity is 5 or less than 5, then they are expressed in power of 10 as 10 power 0, because 3 is close to 1. 3 is close to 1, not close to 10. So since it is close to 1, so I have written 10 power 0 because 10 power 0 is 1. So I have written 10 power 0. And my first concept you can see. Please follow my concepts. I have given somewhere the way of expressing. This is my way of expressing. Please create your own this thing. So this is 3. Answer 3 is 1 digit. No doubt it is already in 1 digit, but it is less than 5. So I write 3 as 10 power 0. So it is 10 power 0 because it is close to 1. 3 is close to 1 in number line. But if it is more than 5, they are close to 10, and I would have written 10 power 1. But it is 10 power 0, that is 1. 10 power 0 is 1, so it is close to 1. Very true. And answer now, 10 power 0 and 8, you can see 10 power 8 meter per second. Right? Now no need of writing this. Answer is 10 power 8. Therefore, order of magnitude of speed of light is 8. You can see. Now second question is given as mass of earth. My dear, mass of earth is 6 into 10 power 24 kg. 6 into 10 power 24 kg. That is the mass of the earth. Please take care. Okay, I am giving you the value. But in the exam, please take care. You should know these values. So mass of the earth, because the values will not be given, we can directly ask what is the order of magnitude of mass of earth. So mass of earth is 6 into 10 power 24 kg, sir. Since 6, this number 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, my dear, here I can write 10 power 1, because if it is greater than 5, then they are expressed as a power of 10 as 10 power 1. So this 6 will be close to 10, you can see. 6 is close to 10, so I will write it as 10 power 1 into 10 power 24. And the answer for this will be, my dear, 10 power 25. I hope it is clear. And thus, my dear, the order of magnitude for this, the order of magnitude of mass of earth is 25. So I hope it is clear. Write it down, then I will go for the next one. Now, my dear, let's go to the radius of earth. Radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer. Radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer, my dear. So first I will convert this kilometer in meter. So now this will be 6,400 into 10 power 3 meter. Now I will convert this 6,400 in 1 digit, because I have make my own rule. You can see my rules. This is my concepts, my rules, because it will make it easy to understand the topic. Nowhere they are mentioned like this, but this I have made it to make the student easier. And therefore, my dear, this is what I am doing, so that it will be easy to calculate the order of magnitude for any physical quantity. So now here 6,400 I will convert first into 1 digit. After converting in 10 power 3 meter, I will convert it into 1 digit. So this can be written as 6.4, and here I have put 4 points. So here it will be 3. You can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6.4 into 10 power 3 into this 10 power 3. So that is 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Now, my dear, since 6.4 is greater than 5, rule number 2, since 6.4 is greater than 5, so this can be written as, my dear, 10 power 1, because I said it can be written as 10 power 1 into 10 power 6. 6.4 is more than 5. I converted in 1 digit first, and I came to know that, oh God, it is more than 5. So it can be written as 10 power 1 into 10 power 6 it is. So it is 10 power 7. So therefore, order of magnitude of radius of earth is 7. Now, my dear, similarly, gravitational constant. Let us go for gravitational constant. Point number 4, gravitational constant denoted by capital G. My dear, its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square is its value. So please, essay questions mein you should remember the value also. Otherwise you will be in trouble. If you are giving the value, no issues. You can do it as I show these methods and all. But if you don't know the value, so first you learn the value for which quantity, physical quantity, what is the value. So this is another concept. Now here, my dear, this is 6.67. Now here I will write, since 6.67 already given in one digit, it is already in one digit, my dear, no need of any conversion. Since 6.67 is greater than 5, so here it will be 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 11. This is 10 power 1 because it is greater than 5 into 10 power minus 11. So answer will be 10 power minus 10. Therefore, order of magnitude of gravitational constant, that is capital G, is minus 10. Is minus 10, you can see. So I hope you all getting me how to calculate this all. Am I clear? Here I can calculate more on this side. Shall I rub it? Or I can rub this also. So I am rubbing this out and then I will go for the next two. Fifth one is mass of proton, my dear. Now mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Is this value you should aware about. So I am giving as far as I am doing the physical quantity, but rest all you also should put your effort. So mass of proton is, my dear, 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Okay. Now my dear, again this is one digit, already it is given in one digit, 1.67. So since 1.67 is less than 5, that is rule number 1, less than 5. So here I will write, this is 10 power 0 because it is less than 5, it is close to 1. This value is close to 1, so it is 10 power 0 into 10 power minus 27. So the answer for this question will be 10 power minus 27. Therefore, order of magnitude of mass of proton is minus 27. Minus 27. Simple. Now last one is Planck constant. Planck's constant denoted by H. My dear, we have done this dimension. The answer is 6.63 into 10 power minus 34. The answer of this is 10 power 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Joule second is the unit. Energy upon frequency. Am I clear? Is the Planck constant. So it is joule second. 6.63 into 10 power minus 34. So again the value is in one digit. Since 6.63 is greater than 10, sorry, is greater than 5. 6.63 is greater than 5, my second rule. So if it is greater than 5, my dear, here I will write 10 power 1 because it is greater than 5. So 6.63 is close to 10. 6.63 is close to 10. So it is 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 34. The answer of this will be 10 power minus 33. Therefore, the order of magnitude of Planck's constant is minus 33. So I hope you understood that how to find the order of magnitude, my dear. There are many examples, my dear. This is what I have tried my level best to understand, that how to calculate the order of magnitude. You can see many more examples also. Look at it. I am solving more examples. Now look at some more order of magnitude. What will be the order of magnitude of this number, or this number, or 1 light year, or 1 parsec, 1 astronomical unit? What are the order of magnitude of these things? So now my dear, let's start for the ninth one. 0.000000853. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This can be written as 853 into 10 to the power minus 8. This entire 853 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 10 power minus 8. Don't count this 0, right? So now I will convert it into one digit. This is 8.53. These are the method. Please try to understand. I cannot keep it in 3 digits. 8.53 to follow my rules. 8.53 into 10 power 2. Now it is 853 into 10 power minus 8. This will be nothing but 8.53 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now since 8.53 is greater than 5. So now my dear, here I will write, since greater than 5, rule number 2. So it is 10 power 1, right? Because if it is greater than 5, it is close to 10. So it is 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 6. And the order of this will be 10 power minus 5. Therefore, the order of magnitude of 0.0000853 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is minus 5. Look at the 10th one. This is 3.28345. So I will convert in one digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3.28345 into 10 to the power 5. I converted into one digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 3.28345 into 10 power 5. I converted in one digit. But still my question is same. Now, my dear, since 3.28345 is less than 5, this number is less than 5. So here it will be, if it is less than 5, rule number 1, it will be 10 power 0. That is, it is close to 1. So it is 10 power 0 into 10 power 5. So the answer for this will be 10 power 5. Therefore, the order of magnitude of 3.28345 is 5. Right? Now 11th one, it is given 1 light year. That is 1 LY. Now my dear, everybody know 1 light year is 9.486 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 light year is 9.486 into 10 power 15 meter. I hope it is clear. Now if it is 9.486 into 10 power 15 meter, I hope you all know that this since 9.486 already in one digit it is given, because light year is in this only, is greater than 5. So here it will be, my dear, if it is greater than 5, rule number 2, that is 10 power 1, because it is close to 10 into 10 power 15. So now my dear, 10 power 16 is the answer for this. Therefore, here I concluded the order of magnitude of 1 LY, 1 light year, is 16. 10 power 16, that is 16. So I hope it is clear. So similarly, my dear, we can find the order of magnitude for 1 parsec also and 1 AU also. Now look at the last two examples. 1 parsec is nothing but, my dear, 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. This is 1 parsec value. Here, my dear, in 1 light year, this is 9.467. I have written 9.486, I hope so. It is 9.467, and that 9.467, no doubt, that is greater than 5, no issues. The answer is same, but it is 9.467, make a note of that. This is 3.08 into 10 power 16. So now, my dear, as since 3.0 already one digit, this is one digit, so 3.08 is less than 5. By rule number 1, you can follow. So now here it will be nothing but 10 power 0, because it is close to 1. 3.08 is close to 1, that is 10 power 0 into 10 power 16. Close to 1 matlab 10 power 0 now, because 10 power 0 is 1. So the answer of this will be 10 power 16. Therefore, the order of magnitude of 1 parsec is 16. Matlab the order of magnitude of 1 light year and the order of magnitude of 1 parsec is same. Take it. Similarly, my dear, the last example, 1 AU, 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit. You all know that 1 astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 power 11. 1.496 into 10 power 11, right, meter. Now, my dear, since the first is 1.496 already in one digit, but since 1.496 is less than 5, that is again the example number 1. So if it is less than 5, that is it is close to 1. So the answer of this will be 10 power 0, close to 1 this number. So 10 power 0 into 10 power 11. So this will be giving 10 power 11. Therefore, the order of magnitude of 1 AU, that is 1 astronomical unit, is 11. So I hope you all understood, bachcho, what is order of magnitude, and thus, my dear, we can say the order of magnitude is that magnitude is a magnitude of physical quantity which is written in a power of 10. This is a magnitude of physical quantity, my dear, written in a power of 10. Everywhere you can see written in a power of 10, which is closest to its magnitude. This is all is close to its magnitude. 3.08 into 10 power 16. My dear, for me 3.08 is not important. 10 power 16 is the order of magnitude, that is 16 is the answer. So try to understand, these are the two rules which I have made by my own self to understand the topic, right? Otherwise in the books also they have written, but in a different manner. So please try to adopt this and try to do the example. As many as example you will see, you will understand, you will able to solve yourself. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.